So hello guys, we are going to unbox here the Zippo Harley Davidson motorcycles lighter. Um, Actually, I got it over the Amazon, and its price is approximately 3649 rupees. That's printed over here, and it's a Zippo lighter. So manufactured in the Zippo Manufacturing Co. in USA, and here it has been made in India in Trivandrum, Tamil Nadu. So they have given the telephone number also here. You can contact and order it over there. And so here it comes. It's a genuine windproof lighter which has been made in USA. So it's got a very premium, covering here, and it's such a unique box like packing here. So we are going to check out what is there inside. So they have given here the manual, how to use it, how to maintain it. So Zippo windproof lighter. So this is the package here, and this is the emblem, Harley Davidson emblem. This is the lighter. This is the Zippo emblem here. So premium packing. Let's check it out. That's a bit funny. So here we come. So this is the premium lighter which has been made here in India only, and it's such a good lighter of about 3700.